If you want to get your first order discount at Hostinger, then make sure to click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see amazing Black Friday deal running right now by Hostinger. But don't worry, I will tell you two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discount on already running discount Black Friday deal. So make sure to watch this video in full. Why Hostinger? It's because their reviews. Their review speaks for themselves. 54,000 people claiming Hostinger as one of the greatest company with 4.7 out of 5 rating is just impressive. You can see the reviews, 5 stars. I'm so glad everyone praising them for their services. And the best thing is with all of their plans, you are getting 30 days money back guarantee. So simply select the claim deal and you will be moved to their popular packages. You can select any package, guys. You are going to get discount with any of the plan you choose. Just make sure to click on the link in the description or in the first comment of this video to avail this. And this coupon code discount is valid on all of the plans, but I recommend you to do a thorough research before you select choose plan with any of the plan. So once you are done with your research, simply select the choose plan with any of your plan to get this amazing discount. So you may see over here, once you select the choose plan, now you may be landed over here. Now Hostinger offer you variety of payment methods. You can pay 1 month, 12, 24 and 48 months. I usually recommend people to offer the 48 months so they can save maximum amount of money, because these are one time only prices and are only for my audience. So I want you to take the maximum out of it. But you can also offer the 12 or 24-month plans as well. Once you select your billing period, scroll below. You can see your order summary over here, and if you want to select your domain, you can even select right now, or you can do it later on from your account as well. You can see your 30 days money back guarantee is valid. Now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video or in the first comment of this video along with a special discount link. Once you write this special coupon code, you're gonna see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal. Now there is another coupon code as well, so you can use either of the coupon code. So I'm using this one. So this is also mentioned in the description of this video. So you can see either of the coupon code is going to save your money. 30 days money back guarantee is loaded. Now select the continue. And after this you will move to the last part. You may be asked to log into your Google account, but since I'm already logged in, which is why I'm here on the last part. Now see your order summary over here. 30 days money back guarantee is loaded. Write your billing details over here and select the continue over here. Once you write your billing details, select the payment method. Hostinger offer you variety of payment methods, so you can choose any as per your convenience, from credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. Guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose. You can choose any as per your convenience. For instance, we are going with a credit card. Write your credit card details and simply select the submit button, and within few minutes you are going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. So you can see how easy the process is to buy your hosting from Hostinger as your first order special discount deal. So make sure to click on the link in the description or use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount with Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.